So this is how you can add transparent text in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for CapCut. Today you will learn how to add transparent text to your videos. Keep watching until the end so you don't make mistakes. Let's start by opening CapCut. Now obviously you're going to want to add a text before you want to make it transparent. So simply tap on text at the bottom and then add text. Let's just make it say hello. Now we're going to want to tap on styles and then scroll down. You can also change the colors however you want, change the stroke, the glow, background, and whatnot. But what we're going to want to do is go back to text, and as you can see, there's opacity. Let me make this white real quick so you can see. Now, you can scroll along opacity to make it go invisible or transparent. You can choose how transparent you want it to be, or you can just set it to 100 or 0 to make it fully disappear. But I would recommend at least 50%. And now you have transparent text. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.